What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Jensen Adventures. Today we are heading to the Sand Sports Super Show at Westworld in Scottsdale, Arizona. As you can see, we are off-road enthusiasts. Tiffany's 2018 Jeep Rubicon JK, my 2010 Super Cab Gen 1 Ford Raptor. Alright guys, we finally made it into the expo. We sat in like an hour of traffic because the 101 is closed and the actual exit to get to the expo was closed as well. So this is the Sand Sports Super Show and the Off-road Expo in one. Because of the pandemic, they combined them and it is a shit show. So we're gonna walk around, and a lot of vendors actually didn't show up. There are a lot of people here. I actually have KMC wheels on the Raptor. This is actually Ken Block's Gen 2. He has a Gen 1 that's actually on snow tracks. He just redid the livery on this one. It's pretty sweet. Alright guys, well this is probably going to be a short, uneventful video. The Sand Sports Super Expo, or whatever it's called, / Off-road Expo, was pretty much a bust this year. They tried to combine it all into one, and the facility was really small, and it's hot. It's the middle of October and it's 100 degrees out today, so we'll call today a bust, but we'll see you on the next adventure. Later.